morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I think I'm gonna do a little Sunday in my life today and just take you guys through, but we're also going to be smoking some ribs. I'm getting a massage. I really want to set my phone down today because I feel like I've been having a lot of like Sunday scaries and anxiety, a little, like not a lot, like a little bit more than usual lately. So I definitely want to just chill and do things that bring me joy. Let's do some journaling today. I'm gonna journal outside. Really quickly, we actually did our sod yesterday, so the grass, and it looks amazing. And our garden is really growing right now. It looks super good. I think I'm actually gonna water the grass and my plants really quickly while I'm out here before I go to my massage. So I just journaled a little bit. It was really nice. Didn't have a lot to say today, but maybe I'll write some more later. So I sort of need to get ready for my massage. I showered last night, so I feel like clean, but I just need to put like not my pajamas on and then head out because it is about 20 minutes away from me. Okay, instead of a smoothie, I should still have something. I'm just gonna have one of these. I'm not really that hungry, so just kind of like to tie me over. All right, this is my massage outfit. Let's go. I think I need to leave like right now, actually. Okay, my massage was so good, but I'm really hungry now, so I'm gonna pick up some pizza. All right, I got the goods. This is my first time here. I'm so excited. It looks really good. All right, got some pizza for Brian and I. Got the spicy ranch right here. Ooh, it looks good. This is so big. Brian is making some ribs, so let's see how he's doing. Definitely not eating very healthy today. This food is for the soul, not for the cholesterol. So yeah.
Do you want me to look or just keep?
Just keep doing you. Brian is having a dad moment right now. He's got the ribs, he's got the smoker going, and he's watering our lawn. This will be our second time smoking ribs with our smoker that we got for free. And they turned out really amazing the first time, so I'm excited. All right, so our house is a little messy upstairs. I have some Amazon packages to open. So let's open those and let's clean a little bit up here because, yeah, it needs it. All right, guys, let's open these packages that I have. I think one of them is a gift, so. Okay, I can't open, like, I feel like this is supposed to be easy open, like with the serrated edge, but I can never get them open. I feel like I used to be able to get them open, but now I have to cut them. Okay, I think I know what this is. Yeah, I got this book called Think and Grow Rich. I'm really into books like this, and I think this is like one of the OG finance books. I'm kind of like, not finance, but this is more about like money mindset. So that's something I'm really trying to work on, is my money mindset and like my abundance mindset. And then this, I think, is a gift for my stepsister's birthday, which is next weekend. But let me just double check. I think that's what it is. Got her a paint by numbers little kit. So that'll be a fun little gifty. I feel like I've done a lot today, but the morning really flew by. I've been like, I can't believe it's already like 12:30 right now, but we out here, we gonna clean. We're gonna have a little Sunday reset. And no Sunday reset is not complete without some tunes, so let's listen to some music. Last time I saw you said what's up and put right through. Then I just kill the lights and everyone inside.
Can't move past all the hate and what's happening. There I go, pretending I know. Am I stupid or stoned? I'm just accident prone. The open road and that old stereo. We were singing through static, a song that nobody will know. Just kill the lights and everyone inside. I kinda like the way I waste your time.
All right, we're looking much better now. We are nice and clean. And yeah, wow, I'm tired. That was a lot of cleaning. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna crack open my new book and see how I like it. All right, so far so good. The book, I like it. I'm one chapter in, but Hannah Elise just released her Eras Tour vlog, so I think I'm gonna watch it because it looks really good. It's like an hour long though, which is a little long, but hey, it's fine.
Good morning, bitches.
All right, so I've just been chilling and Brian requested a cheese and crackers plate, and that sounds pretty good, so I'm gonna make a little cheese and crackers. What up guys? So obviously I've just been kind of chilling for the past few hours. The ribs are still a couple hours out, but they are smelling really, really good. It's a little bit rainy, cloudy outside, so I've just been reading my book on the couch and just going on my phone and watching videos and stuff like that. So nothing too wild, but I'll update you next time I get into something throughout the day.
And a lot to navigate. It's been a while. How's your back doing?
All right, so we need to put the tin foil on the ribs now, so I'm gonna go down and help Brian. Ooh, fuzzy.
Oh. Good.
Not. Whoa, that looks crazy good. What up? I need to run to the pharmacy really quickly to get some face wash and some ice cream. This is my Walgreens haul. These are the best nails, by the way, the Olive and June brand. Fun fact, Olive and June has a location in Beverly Hills, and I applied there and they laughed at me when I left, and it was really embarrassing, but I don't know why they have the best nails. They do. So I guess I'm supporting this brand, even though they were mean to me once. Whatever. Got some ice cream for Brian. I got some face wash. I actually haven't tried this specific one. I've tried the white bottle that's like this, so I'm excited to try it. And then I got some shaving cream because I remembered that I was out. I'm watching this YouTube video of this guy doing the Pacific Coast Trail across the US, and it's really interesting. It's really cool. It's really beautiful. You outdid yourself once again. Okay.
Oh, it just falls right off.
Damn, it looks good as hell. Taste test the first rib. Let me get a really good looking one here. Oh, I can't even grab it because it's just falling off the bone. Wow.
Doesn't suck. There we go.
Alright, got some big news. So it is halfway through.
And we have leftovers. Yum. Brian and I are gonna go on a little after dinner walk to walk these ribs off, although we'd probably have to walk like 100 miles to walk these ribs off, so. Yeah, and all the... Ready?
Go.
I'm just being a blob right now and watching this YouTube video on TV. This guy's hiked like 2,000 miles and I've laid down for probably 2 hours today, but I'm happy. Hey guys, so I just took a quick shower because I smelled a little smoky, and I'm gonna just do my skincare really quick. This is my liquid exfoliator. I used to apply it with a cotton pad, but I just have been putting it on with my hands lately, and I feel like it wastes a lot less. Ugh, I'm almost out of this. I'm like out, actually. This is kind of the last time. This is the Honey Halo Moisturizer, and I got it for a sample. I got it from Sephora for my birthday sample, and I really like it, but I'm like pretty much out. Today was really good. I had a fun day. I was really tired because Brian and I laid all of that grass yesterday, and sod is really heavy if you don't know. and we moved it all ourselves. So I was definitely feeling that today. So I hope this vlog was entertaining enough. Definitely just like a summer Sunday in my life. If you've made it this far in the video, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here, or if you've seen a few of my videos and you just haven't hit that subscribe button. I would highly suggest it because it's just gonna encourage me to make more fun, amazing content for you guys. I think I'm gonna end this video off here. It's Sunday night, so I wanna get some good sleep. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me